series of participants' manuals like these, and I hope that each individual teacher will use these, and as we go along we'll refer to them and show you how to work with them. There are sections in each of the written parts for you to fill in the key words which your leader should be able to show you on overhead as we go. Also, there are some name tags for you to use, and I've enclosed a copy of my evangelism handbook, and again I hope that this will fill in some of the gaps that may be left from the video and the teaching manual. Well, I hope that this is going to be helpful to you. Perhaps as we begin our introduction, we might look together in the inside cover of the participants manual at the different materials that we will be looking at briefly. The first of the sections is an introduction, and we look together at the foundation of Sunday School ministry, and Robert Raikes, the original founder, the man that brought Sunday School ministry into being. And also in that first section we'll look at some of the teaching methods that Jesus used, and hopefully that we can learn from and also apply in our own ministry with the children. The second section is one that deals with basic principles, beginning with a questionnaire, and I hope that together you'll work through some of those very important questions as to why we teach Sunday School. The third one looks together at relationships between the children and the teachers, and how each relate to one another and affect one another. And hopefully we'll see how we can begin to build solid relationships with our children and so influence them in the best and most positive way. The fourth section looks at the lesson, and we'll do some analysis of the material and also at the preparation, the steps in preparation that we need to go through in order to ensure that the children are interested and encouraged and learn from the material. The fifth section has to do with organization, and we hope that you'll look at your existing structure as a Sunday school with a view perhaps to altering or amending that to make the most of some of the modern ideas as to how to bring in more parent teachers and so on, and therefore to bolster and support and strengthen your Sunday school system. And the final section looks at curriculum. While not commending or working on any particular curriculum, I do hope that we can use that final section to do some analysis of the material that we're using, and hopefully therefore to improve on our methods and what we actually do with the children. So we'll now move into the first of the sections